Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines for 25th of April. And first of all, national news. New IT rules don't seem to protect parody or satire, High Court said. Zero Shadow Day in Bengaluru on April 25. Vibrant Villages program along China border to be integrated with PM Gati Shakti for better monitoring. Supreme Court to announce date of hearing on plea to abolish collegium system, revive NJAC. Eastern Ladakh row. India China agreed to work out mutually acceptable resolution. Dairy sector has a special role in making women self-reliant. President Murmu. India launched Operation Kaveri to evacuate stranded citizens from war-hit Sudan. PM Modi asked sports ministers to provide quality infrastructure to athletes, formulate short and long-term goals. India lodged 7,178 new COVID-19 cases, active cases dipped to 65,683. Now some international news. Rishi Sunak goes live on LinkedIn to push UK's growth plans. Indian origin CEO on Racial Justice Advisory Board in US. Mohammad Shahabuddin took oath as Bangladesh new president. We are excited. Australian MP on PM Modi's visit to Australia in May. US Special Forces rescue operation for embassy staff in Sudan as battle rages. Australia unveiled biggest defense reform in decades. Imran Khan's big charge against Pak's former army chief. Germany evacuated 101 people from conflict-hit Sudan. And now some sports news. IOA to form ad hoc committee to conduct WFI Executive Committee elections within 45 days. Sports Ministry. Virat Kohli registered historic first for RCB with 100th IPL catch of career. I'm not Nadal's replacement, Alcaraz said as French Open hopes boosted. Ferran Torres earned Barcanero, won over Atletico as Sevilla stunned Villarreal. Now news related to business. Sensex reclaimed 60,000 mark, Nifty up by 120 points. Rupee rose 15 paise to close at 81.91 against US dollar. Russian oil imports cut OPEC's share of Indian market to 22-year low. NSE warned investors against return investment schemes run by 3 individuals. CBI filed new case against ex-GAIL director in disproportionate assets case. Daimler India reported sales growth of 25% in 2022. Over $68 billion withdrawn from Credit Suisse before UBS takeover. News from Science and Technology. China to reportedly test 3D printing technology on moon to build habitats. Researchers uncovered the hidden connection between Arctic ice and extreme cold events in China. Humans reign supreme. ChatGPT fallen short on accounting exams. India approved construction of its own LIGO gravitational wave detector. And that's all in news. Thank you.